Hello, friends and followers, and amateur radio enthusiasts. Here's a D104 microphone that I've taken apart. The switch in this thing makes a crunching sound. So when you're using it, it just kind of makes a crazy sound. So nobody had any videos on how to take this thing apart. So basically, you take off screws in the bottom of this thing here. So there are two screws in the bottom that you take off. There's one there, and there's one on the other side. So those two bottom screws come off. You take off the screws holding the switch, there and there, and those screws are these that go into here. You take off this one screw that holds the receptacle, and that's about it. Everything slides out. So to put it back together, you would slide this in to the bottom like this. You would then slide the switch in like this, and then you would bolt the switch down, and then bolt the plug down here, and you're all done. So what I want to do is get a tiny bit of this grease and put it on these plastic balls, because those are squeaking. they move a little bit. They make an awful squeak noise when you're talking. You can hear people can hear you squeaking. Okay, well, that's about it. D104. This one's amplified. Picked it up off eBay, and never thought I would own a D104 again. I had one of these when I was in my 20s, maybe 30s. I'm a lot older now, and so I bought one off of eBay to be nostalgic. All right, thanks for watching. Have a great day.